Chapu bawet tsara chela to kono tsena kota bena. Chapu bawet.
I'll take it time. We can furnish the situation in front of us. Girl, I'll take it time.
Hey cities, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, I am Pretty Sunshine, by the way, and I hope you click the subscribe button and join the family because it's without your honey. And if you're a returning subscriber, a regular, welcome back to my channel, and thanks for tuning back in. So it's a maintenance vlog, darlings. It's a maintenance vlog. So anyways, as you can see, so it's a Friday today. And I'm going to get my nails done. Well, yeah, because the last time to farm my nails, I don't know which finger it was, the left side or what, but ngalimala. So being started promote that. Anyways, yeah, flowing the nails. It's a walking distance than you're gone. So and it's my first time going there. So I don't know if I'll do banayo. I won't talk spins. So it's in vlog. But then if Dr. Lagu don't forget. So yeah, it's this pink and yellow sets that I wanna do. So Ntombo and Jimambo, and then if Ntombo is card, see like today, cause there's other things I have to do. If now when the hair treatment and so I had to do some color because I'm getting the treatment. And if not that, no damn, but no damn, I'm clean. So yeah. Are you guys watching Big Brother? Guys, really Big Brother. If you are, who's your current fave? Like, man, gravitate towards in, because I feel like this is in like gunning, and like the people in but outside world cool instead of focusing no slightly whenever focus on the outside world cool. I don't know, man, but sneaky that thing that but this is our team is as season yeah, that's just that. Skin is not skinning sana ngoba skin sihlala skin mara namuhla I don't know, this side is breaking out. You see where this side, look at this side. I don't know what's in. I've stopped here. You see that face wash I showed you guys, Gani. I don't know what's in here or what, but yeah. But I think it's also nearly heat because she's ugly. Guys, a whole mean boy capis. Meaning a capis. But anyway, since like Tikotam and Tibon letting into she errors, so I have to be what I have. Nakona, this is not even mine. So yeah. Anyways, Mundiazama man. Like Zama. Anyways, man, Asambe me and my nails. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys. Hey cities, so I'm done doing my nails. Love it. Guess I don't know, the lighting is not doing them justice. So it's just ipata yellow and pink. Obvious, like getting my hair short pink. No ways. Ooh, it's so cute. Basically, like knowing in the French, that's pink. Yeah, it's a pink French pedicure. Then yeah, I don't know how I'll show you guys. Anyways, ngijahe kwenda i-treatment enhloko. I'll see ukuthi ngikhona kuvloga yini khona because wow, ukuba shy. Anyways, yeah, come with me. I couldn't vlog coming in my nails, but yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when I come back from when the treatment and flow. It's my first time and I'll see how it goes. But I think I'll call myself. Bye. Nitamthini wangibuya ngesingwazi. Mangibuya ngesingwazi. Phela 10 inch le 10 inch le 10 inch 8 inch frontal le. Ha. Angela ngakaki. Singwazi lesi singwazi. Phela sengitokhombotela nails done. Hey, almost. So nje masengilungile la. Ninemanga. Chapel wewe tutsari chele tokhona kana kodere. Bana ba manchakazulu. Onto tinela yenes. Obi. Ningaga kaki. Chapel wewe tutsari chele tokhona tsena kodebene. Ai, obinali mazulu. Bana ba manchakazulu. Obinali mazulu. Bana ba manchakazulu. Hair done, nails done, show done. Like I need to get my lashes done. I need to get myself in order. So yeah, like I have to like fix and then my edges cause man. So it's just these knotless braids. If we're developing my knotless braids, like knotless braids or nothing. Please look nje ngamaningichina mara my knotless him now forever ona. Anyways, and then like line lesamkhathini likhona. I look to line libala yo sana guys, nebukela big brother. I think I asked you guys on the previous clips, but then anyways, unboxing that I have to do. Okay, so yeah, I got a few things, not even a few things, it's just 2 things that I want to show you guys. So yeah, if you follow me on TikTok already, so anyway, we've got a minute until the ring closes. If you want it, buy it. Anyways, let me give you guys just unboxing nje. I wanna guys siyakhuphuka kancane we'll get there. Sophia LV, Sophia Uber Gucci, like God. Anyways, okay, we've got this Steve Madden unboxing. Obviously, I don't know why really squashing lana, but then yeah, is it the website? Yeah, website or the app. So anyway, okay, Omavula. This is what you get. It's just a box thingy, and then I think this is the description you need to obtain. Let me see what there's no personal details. Okay, there's nothing really. So yeah, it's just giving Nali size. No, I'm a size 3. I'm 9 now. Okay, almost this and then voila. Oh my word. Oh my word. It's just this cute baby. So nice. Anyways, ooh, looks so cute. I'm saying I got it, guys. Like, I think it's singing, but I'm saying I got it. Just looks so cute, man. Buga nje, buga. Like, malangishane mnyoli incane. Like, kuhle man. Petty is done. Like, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Now I want the goated big thong sandals, guys. Yo, I'll show you guys. Anyways, the second unboxing is this. I got a tote bag from Fushini Luella in ordinary dash. So kutenga little paper little dash. Okay, so let's open. I'm about to rock. I know where I want to use this bag. It just has that Luella print. Honey. Ooh, sana, and it's very big. Like, cool, man. I know my laptop will fit in here because my laptop it's nice and cute. Oh man, like you want it. Anyways, so yeah, I'm saying I'm saving this way. It's just the Luella thingy. Yeah, man, looks so cute. And it's very like spacious. I wanna show you guys the inside, but then you guys can see, man, it's different compartments. I haven't used it yet. So, and I'm not saying so anything with that I was in like to create compartments because like it's already divided, as you can see. You see la, I think in la for a PCM is in I support how it best thing. So yeah. This is nice and cute tote bag. Anyways, guys, I know was complaining in Vula. It's like it's a stop and whatnot, but now she's like, yo, like you can't do anything in peace because she's like she's I don't know how many degrees there is, guys. I wanna if them connect even if there's this challenge. Yaga TikTok. Oh wait, this other challenge. Yaga TikTok, man. What's happening? Okay, so now I'm gonna showering and Jamie splash it because I'm feeling very hot. So yeah, let's just do that. That's just me. My tripod plackets.
You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. 22 going on 23. You look pretty when you're fucking with me. For me to see, I'ma show you what I mean to be love. You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, you, baby.